Hi, my name is Shane, and today we'll go over Brazil Anatel's new standard replacement notice. On January 2nd, 2018, Anatel published Act 14448/2017. The new technical requirements apply to restricted radiation radio communication equipment, or licensed devices, replacing Annex 1 of Act 11542/2017. All projects started before January 2nd can still be concluded with the old Anatel Act 11542/2017, but the new process must follow Act 14448/2017. Please note that this new act will replace only the Annex 1 of the Act 11542, and the Annex 2 of Act 11542 is still valid. At SIEMIC, we are your global compliance partner, so always feel free to contact us at info@siemic.com or 408-526-1188 for any questions or requests for compliance services for your current projects, so we can provide you with the very best experience possible.